So let's take a look at how to use the Google Ads Budget Simulator. Now, first of all, you're going to need to come over to campaigns. Make sure you're in the campaigns section. And once you're there, you're going to see a list of your campaigns. In this example, I've already selected one just so we can isolate it and just look at one campaign here. And when we're looking at our campaigns, we should by default see the budget as one of the first columns up here. Of course, you can modify your columns here if you need to, move things around to get to where you can easily see all the data that you're needing to see. Then, once you're here, you should see this little icon next to the budget. And obviously, when we hover over this, we can see it's saying that this is the Campaign Budget Simulator. Now, if we click on this, then we're going to see this window pop up where it's going to show some simulation here. And everybody's is going to look a little bit different, of course. You can also modify the columns here as well. So if you want to see roughly what the conversion value is going to be, or how many clicks you're going to get, how your top impression share is going to change, you can add those in here too. And now we can get somewhat of a better sense of what might actually happen, right? And it's giving us a couple of recommendations here. One thing I'll say right up front is that this is not going to be 100% accurate, right? It's a simulator, so it's just designed to kind of give us an idea of what could happen if we made different adjustments to our budget. Now, you can also change the simulation period here, so typically it's going to be set to 7 days by default. You could go next 30 days, next 60 days, next 90 days. Especially helpful if you're in an industry where there's a lot of fluctuation from season to season. But here we can start playing around with things too and see what if we just wanted to double our budget? What would that look like? Well, it's saying that we're going to spend considerably more money. We're going to get 12 extra clicks per week and an extra conversion per week. At the current rate, it's saying we're going to get 16 conversions per week with a conversion value of roughly $5,000. We're going to spend $700 to make $5,000. Pretty good situation. But if we double our budget, we're going to spend almost $1,400 and really not increase our conversion value by that much. So in this case, we may actually be better off to decrease the budget a little bit, depending on what we're trying to achieve, because then we're going to only spend $350 per week, but make almost the same revenue, $3,500. And it's going to be different for every single campaign and every niche. And again, it's not 100% accurate, right? There's no guarantee of the simulated results. You're responsible for the performance of your campaigns, and it's saying that simulations are just based on your historical data. So again, it's not totally accurate, but it should help you understand, before you go ahead and just blindly double your budget or triple your budget or what have you, or cut your budget in half or whatever it is. You can get sort of an estimate on what might happen, and then maybe you just screenshot this, right? Take a screenshot so that you have it saved, and you can make the adjustment, see what actually happens, and see how close the simulation was. If you're finding that the simulation is not that accurate, then you may be better off just testing, increasing your budget here and there, and seeing exactly how it pans out over time. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue
like this one here, and really just see that, you know, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.